Need to centralize your brand assets and keep your team aligned? Then here's how to use the Frontify Digital Asset Management or the DAM. If you want your manage your brand guidelines and assets, then here's how to do it. So first of all, what are brand assets? Brand assets are the elements you create and use to define your brand identity. It includes not only the components but such as logos, typefaces, icons, and graphics, and even more. So why are these important? It is distinctive to brand assets every company should have. It also common challenges managing brand assets and how to overcome them, and how to identify or manage your organize your brand assets. So right here, you have your brand guidelines. Excuse me. When you invest to this Frontify right here. So after that is that you can see this guidelines right here. There are actually a lot of options when you want to create your own design system or your assets.